Hi everybody, this is Mr. Taylor, and I just wanted to go over the Dynamix 802 online learning opportunities for the week. So the first slide here are the resources. I'm making the Monday memo movie right now. I'll link that into the sources. I'm also going to post this slideshow online, and I'll also send you a link. You can see here that the Monday meeting is going to happen on YouTube Live. That's what we've been doing at 9 o'clock in the morning. We'll keep doing that. Then on Monday from 9:15 to 9:55, which is your language arts time, there's a heart mapping and dear data video. It's about 12 minutes. And if you want to watch that video, it's going to give you some great ideas for some artwork that also will lead to some creative writing. And then don't forget, tomorrow we've scheduled a special green team meeting at 11 a.m. We're just going to meet quickly and go over some of the expectations for a green team. And then the other thing that you need to know happening on Tuesday is that we're also going to have a meetup on Tuesday afternoon at 1:15. Now, I just want you to remember that a lot of these things are optional. If you can make it, awesome. If they're inconvenient or you don't have access to technology, I get that too. As you can see here, all videos will be posted to the Dynamix 802 online YouTube playlist. So this is just a quick list of resources, and now I'm going to go over the learning activities for the week. So we had talked last week, just to quickly review, I had asked you to set a schedule and also to set a goal. And if you did that, you were able to earn a Team Dynamix organization certificate. You should have those certificates in your inbox if you were able to both set a schedule and set a goal. If you weren't able to do that last week, you can certainly do that this week. You just have to make sure you email me and let me know that I need to go and check out your schedule and your goal. The other thing that we've been expecting you to do is to read 45 minutes per day. Just try and read something of your choice. It's a great habit to get into, and then to be journaling or to be creative writing for 30 minutes a day. Also, I've encouraged you to be as creative and imaginative as possible and to send me pictures or links to examples of your creativity. And if you've done that, you've also been able to earn a Team Dynamix creativity certificate. And I've been posting those pictures both on the Team Dynamix creative page and also on Instagram. So that's what we did last week. And remember, it's not where you start, it's where you finish. So I've had some feedback from folks. Some folks felt a little bit overwhelmed by all the work. Other students were appreciative of the structure. And so what's going to happen this week is you're going to have your choice. And I'm basing it sort of on the ski run model. There's going to be a green, which is sort of a beginning online learner. There's going to be an intermediate online learner, and there's going to be an expert online learner. It's going to be up to you to decide where you feel you best fit in. So I'm going to go over each of those options, and then I'll also be talking about these in our YouTube Live Monday meeting, which is happening tomorrow. So the theme for this week is student choice. You want to choose your challenge, stay organized, healthy, and optimistic. So here's the kind of the novice online learner, and this is a schedule for the week. And basically every day you'll see there's a YouTube live stream, which is pretty, basically that's just us getting together and me giving you some explanation of how the week is going. You see that in the second row there, which is right here, you see that this is the language arts time. I have a link to the heart mapping dear data video. After you watch that, you can be creative writing, journaling, or independent reading. On Tuesday, same thing. If you need to finish up the video, if you want to do some creative writing, that's awesome. You could also be journaling or independent reading. And then I'm going to try and get us back onto the Odyssey by Wednesday. I don't have a link for that YouTube video because I haven't made it yet. But that's just a tentative schedule for Wednesday and Thursday. Don't forget also down here, you see at 11 o'clock on Monday, we're going to try and have the Green Team Zoom meeting. There is a password for this meeting, and the password is simply Dynamix 802. So if you attend that meeting, you'll see it's in yellow. It's optional, but I'd love to see as many people as I can. And then you'll have independent reading or journaling, for the rest of the week. There's a couple other optional opportunities. We have at 1:15 on Tuesday and 1:15 on Thursday. I'm just trying to set up a little optional Dynamix 802 Google Meet. And if you don't see a link, that just means that I haven't set it up yet, but I will be setting those up for your benefit. So the other thing too, over here in the orange, this is the only thing that the online learner that, it'd be great if you could submit an email to me by the end of the week. And that email is in your Google Classroom in the PLP class. I'm going to be putting all of the assignments in the PLP or personal learning class because I think that just fits nicely, and I also don't want you to have to sign up for another class. So again, if you want to choose the novice online learner, this is your level. This is where you would want to be. The next level is the intermediate. It's pretty much the same, although you can see that I've added an expectation for some Green Team Academy work. Again, if you feel you're capable, I don't want to stress anybody out. I want people to feel comfortable. But if you want to be doing some Green Team Academy work, you can certainly add that into your schedule. And then up here, you see the intermediate learner would complete the email, which again is in your Google Classroom, but you would also perhaps do some Dynamix 802 creative work and send me a creative entry. And then if you wanted to be an expert learner, if that's your challenge level, you can see that you would do pretty much the same schedule, although you would work on the Green Team Academy, and then you might go to this Hello Artist page and use some of those resources. You might go to the Young Writers Project and identify some of those resources as well. And then you would email me, you maybe do a creative entry, perhaps you'd finish a book and log it, and then maybe you would finish a section of the Green Team Academy to earn a certificate. So again, there's 3 levels: novice, intermediate, and expert. I'm going to let you choose which one you think you are, and I'm also asking you in your email to make sure that you're giving me plenty of feedback about this system. If this is too complicated or it's stressing people out, I can certainly absolutely change it, but I'm going to need your feedback to do that. Don't forget also that a lot of these videos are all posted on the Dynamix 802 online YouTube playlist, and that every morning when we meet on the YouTube live stream, you'll certainly be able to ask me clarifying questions about this. Okay, sorry. So the other thing that you can be working on is our certificate program, and I just want to identify 3 challenges I'm presenting to you. If you finish those challenges, you can certainly earn one of the following certificates. So the first certificate is the organization. If you set an initial goal and a schedule and turn that in, I will send you a Team Dynamix organization certificate, and you can put that right on your PLP. Both the goals and scheduled documents are in your Google Classroom. In the PLP, all you have to do is go to those assignments, complete them, send me an email letting me know I need to assess them, and you'll be good to go. The second certificate you can earn this week is a creativity certificate, and if you submit an example of creative and inspirational work, you send me an email with the message Dynamix Creative. I'll download whatever picture or material you've sent, and again, I'll post that on the Dynamix 802 Creative webpage, and I'll also post it to Instagram. And this is a new one. This is for this week. I am going to challenge folks to try and earn a physical activity certificate. I've mentioned many times before, I think it's critical that folks are setting a good schedule, getting outside. Remember, you want to be safe, you want to be keep your social distance, but there's no reason why you can't go for a walk, a run, a bike ride, etc. So if you can show me that you've gotten 2.5 hours, it's only about half an hour a day, or 10,000 steps per day of physical activity and fitness, I'd be happy to send you a certificate. So again, we have your choice. You can be a novice learner, you can be intermediate, or you can try and take on that expert challenge. You can also earn certificates. It's really up to you what you want to try and get accomplished this week. And for all of you, the only thing I'd really like to see is an email at the end of the week explaining to me how your week's gone, giving me feedback about the program, and letting me know how you're doing. Last, if you have any questions at all, please bring them to our YouTube Live morning meetings, or you could be emailing me at dont@mpsvt.org. I appreciate your attention. Thank you very much for your involvement. You guys are doing great, and I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Talk to you soon. Bye now.